seen Jesus play with flames in a lake of fire that I was standing in. But the devil in Seattle spent 9 months inside the lion's den. That Buddha yet another time, he showed me the glowing light within. But I swear that God is there every time I glare into the eyes of my best friend. He says, my son, it's all been done. Someday you're gonna wake up old and gray. So go ahead and have some fun. Show love to everyone you meet and greet and cheat along the way. There's a gateway in our minds that leads somewhere out there far beyond this plane, where reptile aliens made of light cut you open, pull out all your pain. Tell me how you make illegal something that we all make in our brain. Some say it makes you crazy, others say it might make you go sane. Every time I take a look inside that old and fabled book, I'm blinded and reminded of the pain caused by some old man in the sky.